So today we're talking about the possibility for Tesla to achieve unpredicted highs. While Tesla is consolidating, actually today was a little bit better. We are exploring the possibility this company to become the most valuable company in the world. So welcome back to my channel where I give you the latest Tesla news. Tesla is expecting to experience incredible highs. Over the next years, its long-term investors will be rewarded for patience in holding this amazing security. Where will Tesla stock be by 2030? Well, this will be influenced by a variety of factors, of course, including vehicle sales, Cybertruck production, lower cost EV, Tesla energy business, FSD, Tesla bots, and more innovation by the company. Of course, the trade price of Tesla has, as many times before, will be eventually split by a stock split, as companies do so, that retail investors have a chance to add to their position. A stock split happens when the stock price is getting too high and too expensive for the average investor to add to their position. So let's give you a little bit of an example. For instance, if you own one share of a company and this share is, let's say, $100, and there is a 1-to-10 split, you now own 10 shares, $10 each. Tesla is one of the lucky companies that receives IRA benefits. Keeping this in mind, Tesla is investing heavily to expand and grow. Tax incentives might be one of the reasons why someone might switch to electric vehicles. The core dynamic around margins is the competitive dynamic with the competition. Well, while Tesla is starting lowering prices according to supply and sales, many other auto manufacturers have copied this strategy, especially coming out of Asia. As the industry is going through a cost reduction effort to really break through and take majority of the market share, this might be a multi-year project. So while Tesla has a cost advantage by still making profit, many automakers are losing money with each vehicle being produced. Right now, it is who can win the majority of the market. Tesla is still increasing their profit margins, even not as much as Wall Street is predicting. There are many voices coming from the investment community, but at this point, I can see that Tesla does not want to be just another car company. I'm actually, I have to say so, happy that Elon Musk ignores these voices. Yes, they're smart people, but however, I can see the horizon that Elon and Tesla are working towards too. Short term, the stock will move a bit slower, but when all products are in place, Tesla can't be stopped. While several companies are coming out with fully automated vehicles, and Tesla is still struggling to get approval, Tesla is being looked at by authorities with a much closer eye. You cannot tell me that these other auto manufacturers are building a better system than Tesla. Not to mention that Elon is a perfectionist. And while our economy is still declining as we speak, eventually this will be over and Tesla will be able to slowly raise prices of the products and raise margins again. This might take 12 to 24 months of difficulties, but we'll get there. So far, Tesla has managed to stay above its competition and currently leads by a far margin. Tesla also has the infrastructure to succeed with the largest supercharging network globally. And if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another video. So Tesla plans to produce 20 million cars by year 2030. As Ron Barron said, if Tesla can produce 10 million cars by 2030, it'll be a $1 trillion company. As fast as the company is moving and expanding into other countries, this might happen sooner. The company so far has managed to produce in the US, Germany, and China. Tesla is starting to build its factory in Mexico. Indonesia and India are both offering incentives for Tesla to pursue the company to build and to add to their economy. Imagine adding products, employment for the country, which adds more revenue, not just as consumers buy cars, but also people having more spending money due to well-paid employment. Tesla is a very volatile stock and not for the faint of heart. Also, Tesla is one of the most traded stocks, which adds to the volatility. However, over the long haul, Tesla has been on a great journey and I feel it has just begun. Of course, ARK Invest Kathy Wood has more confidence than ever in Tesla stock despite her latest sale. While ARK still has Tesla as the top 10 in their investments, I believe Kathy is just waiting to enter and add to her position. As we are waiting for a lower cost EV to be built between $25,000 and $30,000, plus with tax incentives, this cost might be much lower. Now, this will enable Tesla to dominate in a big way. And while other auto manufacturers are already launching their automated vehicles, Elon was leaving headquarters and live streaming himself driving in California. Also consider a Tesla bot by 2030. Well, Elon said it'll be reaching mass market by 2027. Just for fun, hint, hint, let's say 2030. Just to be on the safe side. If Elon is right and he can keep this robot under $20,000, there will be a magnitude of people buying this technology. Think about the household that can make use of this robot, but also companies struggling to find employees or can charge the amount of money that people are asking in exchange for work. The medical field is already using robotics. The price of goods might get much lower simply because, well, yes, you will still have to include the price of a robot into your product. However, the cost of an employee's wages will fall away. And Tesla is now producing its own AI chips and is called a chip stock. Tesla is more and more leaning towards AI and is getting more advanced. Even X, formerly known as Twitter, is becoming more and more AI focused. X is becoming a everything application, which means you can use it as a bank, trade stocks, keep in touch with people, and so much more. Once FSD is full ready for the mass market, Tesla will be unstoppable. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.